Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of flow measurement. Specifically, we're talking about a game changer, the Coriolis flow meter. Now you might be thinking, flow measurement? Sounds boring. Trust me, this is way cooler than it sounds. Imagine needing to measure something invisible, constantly moving, and potentially dangerous. That's the challenge industries face every day with fluids. Whether it's oil, chemicals, or even food ingredients, accurate flow measurement is crucial. That's where our hero comes in, the Coriolis flow meter. This ingenious device has revolutionized the way we measure flow, offering unparalleled accuracy and reliability. Forget clunky old methods. The Coriolis flow meter is here to blow your mind, not literally, of course. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of this incredible invention. Get ready to explore the captivating world of Coriolis flow meters. Let's break down what a Coriolis flow meter actually is. In simple terms, it's a device that measures the mass flow rate of fluids passing through it. Think of it like a high-tech weigh station for liquids and gases. But how does it work? Enter the Coriolis effect. Scientist, you know, that mind-bending phenomenon that makes objects moving on a rotating surface curve. The same principle applies here. The Coriolis flow meter uses a vibrating tube to simulate this rotation. As fluid travels through the vibrating tube, it experiences a force due to the Coriolis effect. This force causes a tiny twist or deflection in the tube. By measuring this deflection, the meter can precisely determine the mass flow rate of the fluid. Pretty neat, huh? Now, let's peek under the hood and explore the key components that make this marvel of engineering tick. First up, we have the heart of the operation, the vibrating tube. This specially designed tube is where the magic happens. Engineer. Next, we have the exciter, which is basically the muscle of the system. It vibrates the tube at a specific frequency, creating the conditions for the Coriolis effect to take place. Think of it like a tiny, super-fast jackhammer. But how do we capture the subtle movements of the tube? That's where the sensors come in. These highly sensitive devices are strategically placed on the tube to detect even the slightest deflections caused by the Coriolis effect. They're like the eyes of the operation. Finally, we have the brains of the outfit, the transmitter. This component receives signals from the sensors, analyzes the data, and calculates the mass flow rate. It's the control center that makes sense of all the information. Section 4. From vibration to measurement, deciphering the Coriolis effect.
Remember that twisting motion we talked about earlier? That's the key to understanding how the Coriolis flow meter measures flow. When the tube vibrates, it creates a phase shift between the inlet and outlet points. Imagine two waves moving in sync. Now, introduce a slight delay in one of the waves. That's essentially what happens in the Coriolis flow meter. The fluid flowing through the vibrating tube causes a phase shift between the waves detected by the sensors. The magnitude of this phase shift is directly proportional to the mass flow rate of the fluid. In simpler terms, the greater the flow, the larger the phase shift. The transmitter analyzes this phase shift and provides an accurate measurement of the flow rate.
Section 5. A meter for every need. Exploring different types.
Coriolis flow meters come in various shapes and sizes, each optimized for specific applications. One common type is the straight tube Coriolis flow meter, known for its simplicity and versatility. It's like the trusty pickup truck of the flow meter world. Then we have the bent tube Coriolis flow meter, designed to handle higher flow rates and pressures. Think of it as the heavy-duty workhorse. And for applications requiring ultra-high accuracy and low pressure drop, there's the micro-bend Coriolis flow meter, the precision instrument of the bunch. From measuring the flow of crude oil in pipelines to ensuring the precise dosage of ingredients in pharmaceuticals, Coriolis flow meters have got you covered. They're the Swiss Army knives of flow measurement.